Hello everyone, we have a WAEC question here, so let's solve it together. The question states that a ball of mass 0.1 kg is thrown vertically upward with a speed of 10 meters per second from the top of tower 10 meter high. Neglecting here the distance, the total energy just before hitting the ground is. Now this WAEC question, looking at it at first may seem as if it is a hard question, but relax, it's not hard, okay? We are going to solve it together so that you see. Now the question is asking us to find the total energy. But first things first, if you have a question like this, if you want to make your work easier, first bring out the data that you have been given so that you know what and what you have and what is missing. Okay, so from this question, I'm going to write my missing data. I'm going to write the data that have been given. So I have a mass of what? 0.1. So that means my M is 0.1 kg. Then again I have that the speed, that is velocity, is 10 meters per second. So velocity is 10 meters per second. Then I have that the height, that is h, is 10 meter height. So that means h is 10 meters. Any other thing again? Nothing. So that is all. Now, since the question is asking me to find the total energy, remember total energy is the sum of kinetic energy plus potential energy. So total energy is kinetic energy plus potential energy. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to find out what is my potential energy, and my potential energy is given as PE is given as mass times acceleration due to gravity times height. So that means my PE is going to, what is my mass? See, my mass is 0.1 times g. Remember, g is acceleration due to gravity, which is a constant, and the constant is the same thing. G is the same thing as 10 meter per second square. So that means my g here is 10 times my height. My height is also what? 10. So I have 0.1 times 10 times 10, and this should give me 10. So 10 joules. Remember, the unit of energy is joules. So that's the answer for the potential energy. Then I'm also going to proceed and find the kinetic energy. Remember, kinetic energy, which is Ke, is given as 1/2 mass times velocity square. This is the formula for kinetic energy. So I'm going to find out what is my kinetic energy. So 1/2, remember my mass is what? 0.1 times v square, and my v is what? 10 meters per second. So because it's square, I'll square it. So if I multiply this, I'll get that my kinetic energy is 5 joules. Okay, so now I have my potential energy as 10 joules and my kinetic energy as 5 joules. So, and they're asking me to find the total energy. So total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus the potential energy. So since I know what is my kinetic energy, I know what is my potential energy, I will just add them together and it will give me my total energy. So total energy is the same thing as what is my kinetic energy, that is 5 plus my potential energy, which is 10. So 5 plus 10 is what? 15, and the unit of energy is joule. So this is my final answer. So from my option, which one do you think is the answer? So 15, and that is option C. So option C is the correct answer. Alright?